Hi students, now we are going to solve the linear congruence equations. See the first problem or example, solve the following linear congruence 9x congruence 12 mod 15. That means we have given this linear congruence. Our aim is to solve this linear congruence. Means find the value of x 1 or 2 or anyone. ఎన్నైనా ఉండొచ్చండి దీనికి ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయో మన తర్వాత చూద్దాం. ఓకే, we have for that purpose we have given the equation 9x congruence 12 mod 15. 12 mod 15. First you compare this given linear congruence with the general one, ax congruence b mod m. Compare this one with the standard one. In place of a we have 9, in place of b we have 12, in place of m we have 15. To solve this linear congruences, you divide the solution 2 or 3 parts. That is, first you find d. The given one is ax congruence b mod m. First you find d. What is d? This is GCD of am. Then observe if d divides b or not. If d divides b, then only system has solution. Then the system has d number of solutions. d ఎంత వస్తుందో అన్ని solutions ఉంటాయమ్మా. Okay, then last part find that solutions. Okay, now this is the given linear congruence. Compare this with standard form. Here a is equal to 9 and m is equal to 15. First you find the GCD of am, which is d. Now here GCD of 9 and 15 am 9 and 15 is equal to 3. I think already you know how to find GCD in the first unit. You have learned in the first unit how can we find the greatest common divisor. Greatest common divisor. What are the common factors? For 9 we have 1, 3, 9. For 15 the factors are 1, 3, 5, 15. So 3 is common. So 3 is the greatest common divisor for 9 and 15, which is d. So first part we find d here, which is GCD of 9 and 15, means a and m. Then observe this d divides b. What is b here? 12. Here no doubt 3 divides 12, which means d divides b. So therefore the given linear congruence has solution. Solution undi. How many solutions? Here d is equal to 3. So the given linear congruence has 3 solutions. The given system has 3 solutions. And here we have x naught is equal to 3 is solution of linear congruence. How can we tell 3 is the solution of linear congruence? This linear how can we tell 3 is x naught is 3 is solution of this one? For which value of x this long linear congruence satisfies, then we say that is x naught and it is solution because it satisfies the given one. Now you observe ma, the given one is 9x congruence 12 mod 15, means 15 divide cheyali denni 9x minus 12 ni. So what is x? What is x? X is equal to 3 substitute cheyandi. 9 3s are 27. 27 minus 12. Okay, this is 15, which is divisible by 15. So suppose you put x is equal to 3, then you have divide 27 minus 12 divisible by 15. So x is equal to 3 satisfies this linear congruence. Okay ma? See here 9x is equal to 12 mod 15. X is equal to 3 satisfies this equation. So x naught is equal to 3. How many solutions here? 3 solutions. What are that? First one x naught, second one x naught plus m by d, third one x naught plus m by d into 2. మీకు తెలుసు x naught plus m by dt, x naught plus m by d 2t and so on like this. ఓకేమా టీకి వాల్యూస్ ఇస్తూ పోతున్నాం t is equal to 0 t is equal to 1 సరే leave it. The three solutions are x0 plus m by d x0 plus m by d into 2. Now we know m is 15 and d is 3. Okay, hence first solution x0 means 3. Next x0 plus m by d 15 by 3. Next x0 plus m by d into 2. Now what are these values? 3, this one 3 plus 5 8. Next 3 plus 8 into 3 plus 5 into 2 10. 10 plus 3 13. So 3 8 13. These three are three incongruent solutions mod 15. Mod 15 starting నుంచి ఉంటుంది ఇచ్చిన ప్రాబ్లంలోనే మీరు అది లాస్ట్లో కూడా రాయాలి. Incongruent means there is no congruence, just these are integers. Solution x values. X values are integers. X is equal to 3, x is equal to 8, x is equal to 13. Or x is 3 values వచ్చాయి ఇక్కడ. These three are three incongruent solutions mod 15. Now you observe the second one. Before going to that, you know this point. The linear congruence Ax congruent B mod M has these solutions. D ఎంత వస్తుందో D means GCD of AM. Nth value is the solutions. In previous problem we have D is 3, so for the previous problem we get 3 incongruent solutions. Same problem, just numbers change here. Solve the linear congruence 6x, there is one dash missed here, one hyphen, put that mark. 6x congruent 15 mod 21. Here we have, first we find first part, GCD of 6 and 21. 6 and 21. 6 factors, 1, 2, 3, 6. 21 factors, 1, 3, 7, 21. So 3 is common. So 3 is the greatest common divisor of 6 and 21. You see how to find GCD. You see in the first unit. GCD. Problems కనుక్కుంటున్నాం అక్కడ. Okay. The GCD of 6 and 21 is 3, which is D. No doubt. Here B is 15. 3 divides 15, that is D divides B. So the given congruence has solution. But here D is equal to 3. So this given congruence has 3 solutions like in the previous problem. Okay, ma? Therefore the given congruence has solution and also 3 incongruent solutions. Okay. Which value satisfies this one? We expect that value. In previous problem, we have x is equal to 3 satisfies the given one. Now, what is x here? Suppose here 6x minus 15 is divisible by 21. 21 to 6x minus 15 divisible అవ్వాలి. So x ఎంత పెట్టచ్చు? X is 6. మనం ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ చేయగలగాలి 1 2 3 4 5 6. ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ చేయలేకపోతే x వాల్యూస్ ఎలా కనుక్కోవాలి అంటే యూజ్ ది డయాఫాంటైనిక్ ఈక్వేషన్. మనం ఇలా ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ చేయలేకపోతున్నాము, దెన్ యూజ్ ద లీనియర్ డయాఫాంటైనిక్ ఈక్వేషన్. అక్కడైతే ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ చేయాల్సిన అవసరం లేదమ్మా, x వాల్యూ నేరుగా వచ్చేస్తుంది. ఫర్ ప్రీవియస్ ప్రాబ్లం x0 is 3, హియర్ x0 is 6 అని చెప్తున్నాం. హౌ కెన్ వి ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ 1 2 3 4 లేదా -1 -2 -3 -4 సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసుకుంటూ వెళ్ళడమే. ఇలా చేసుకుంటే ఈజీగా వచ్చేసింది. కానీ ఎలా ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ చేస్తాం? ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ చేయలేకపోతే యూజ్ ద డయాఫాంటైనిక్ ఈక్వేషన్ మెథడ్. We see the in next problem in that method. In next problem we see that method. Okay, ma? Here we expect this value. Expect means substitution method. Substitute chesna. Suppose x0 is equal to 6. That means in place of x you put 6. Then equation satisfied. Come on, we check it. 6 into 6, 36. So 36 congruent 15 is mod 21. That means 21 divides 36 minus 15. What is 36 minus 15? 21. So 21 divides 21. Yes. So x is equal to 6 satisfies this equation. That means x0 is equal to 6 is one solution of this congruence, linear congruence. So one solution వచ్చిన తర్వాత use this formula. 3 solutions అని చెప్పాం. Here d is equal to 3. So we have 3 solutions. What are that? x naught plus x naught plus m by d. What is m by d? What is m? M is 21. M by d means m by d means 21 by 3, that is 7. Kabatti x naught plus 7, x naught plus 7 into 2. What is x naught? 6. Next 6 plus 21 by 3 means 7. 6 plus 7, 13. Next 6 plus 21 by 3 into 2, 7 into 2, 14 plus 6, 20. So here 6, 13, 20, commas ma, not points. 6, 13, 20 are 3 incongruent. Sorry ma, typing lo chadur velipindi. Incongruent solutions ma 21. Okay ma. First two we use the expected method, substitution method అనుకోండి. Okay, here we substitute the values. x naught is equal to 1 2 3 ఏది సరిపోతే అది తీసుకున్నాం, సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే వెళ్ళి. సెకండ్ ప్రాబ్లంలో 6 చేస్తే సరిపోయింది. ఇలా how can we expect? That's why we use the another method for the next problem. Example 3. In this problem we are going to use method of Diophantine equation. The question is solve 9x congruent 21 mod 30. Here it is in the form of ax congruent b mod m. Here first find d. What is d? GCD of 9 and 30. GCD of 9 and 30. Here GCD of 9 and 30 is 3, that is d. B is 21. So here 3 divides 21, which means d divides b. Therefore the system has solution, and also d is equal to 3. System has 3 incongruent solutions. But in this method, in previous methods, after writing this, the system has 3 solutions. Immediately we substitute the value of x and write x naught is equal to 6 is solution. Here x is equal to 3 is solution. But here we are going to use method of Diophantine equation. So convert this given linear congruent into Diophantine equation. What you get? 9x minus 30y is equal to 21. ఎలా వస్తుంది? ax minus my is equal to b. అంటే 9x minus 30y, వైలు వస్తాయమ్మా. లాస్ట్ ఆన్సర్లో y తీసేసి ఎక్స్ఎల్ మాత్రమే తీసుకుంటాం. సో ఫస్ట్ we convert this Diophantine equation into, we convert this linear congruence into Diophantine equation. It can be written as 9x minus 30y is equal to 21. Now we see that equation. To solve this linear congruence, we solve the Diophantine equation, which is 9x plus 30y is equal to 21. Already I told you. Now this can be written as 9x plus here 30 into y. లోపల బ్రాకెట్లో 30 ఉండాలి. యూ కెన్ డివైడ్ 30. ఇక్కడ 9x ఉంది కాబట్టి 9 కామన్ తీసేదానికి వీలుగా ఫ్యాక్టర్స్గా విడగొట్టండి అమ్మా. 30ని డివిజన్ అల్గారిథంగా రాయండి. 3తో డివైడ్ చేయండి, ఏమవుతుంది? లేదా అసలు వర్డ్స్ అన్నీ వద్దు. 30 క్యాన్ బి రిటర్న్ యాజ్ 9 వచ్చేటట్టు రాయాలమ్మా. 9 into 3 27 plus 3. ఓకే, 30 ఈక్వల్ టు 9 into 3 అంటే 27 plus 3 y. ఇక్కడ కూడా 9 వచ్చేటట్టు రాయండి. 9 into 2 18 plus 3. Now 9x, ఇక్కడ చూడండి అమ్మా, 9x 9 into x plus 9 into 3y ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 9 into 2 కాకుండా ప్లస్ 3y, ఇటు పక్క ప్లస్ 3 ఉంది. సో 9 కామన్ తీస్తే ఎన్ని టర్మ్స్లో 9 ఉన్నవి? 9 కామన్ తీస్తే ఫస్ట్ టర్మ్ ఎక్స్, సెకండ్ టర్మ్లో 9 తీసేసాం కాబట్టి 9 into 3y మీన్స్ 9 బయట వెళ్ళిపోయింది కాబట్టి ప్లస్ 3y. ఓకే, ఈ ప్లస్ 3y పక్కన ఉంచేసేయండి. 9లో ఇంకా ఏం కామన్ రాయొచ్చు? ఇక్కడ 2 టర్మ్స్ ఉన్నాయి. 9 into 2 plus 3. 9 into 2ని ఈ సైడ్ తీసుకొస్తే మైనస్ 9 into t. 9 ఆల్రెడీ ఉంది కాబట్టి -2 పెట్టాం. ఈ ప్లస్ 3y యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈస్. మీరు కావాలంటే రాసుకోండి అమ్మ. 9x ప్లస్ 9 into 3y ప్లస్ 3y మైనస్ 9 into 2 ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 3. 9 ఉన్న టర్మ్ ఇటు పక్క తెచ్చేయండి. సో 9 కామన్ తీస్తే we get this one. Now you put the terms in the bracket by u. You substitute the terms in the bracket by u. What is u? X plus 3y minus 2. Put it as a single letter u. Now this equation becomes 9u plus 3y is equal to 3. Plus 3y is equal to 3. Smallest formula raste both sides 3 తో divide cheyandi. You get 3u plus y is equal to 1. So now you put any value for u. వీలైనంత వరకు లీస్ట్ వాల్యూ తీసుకోండి. You put u is equal to 0 into what you get? This term becomes 0. Y is equal to 1. Put u is equal to 0 into, you get y is equal to 1. We don't need y value. We need only x value. Substitute this y value in this equation 1. What you get? Put this y is equal to 1 in equation 1. 9x plus 30 into 1 means 30 is equal to 21. So 9x plus 30 is equal to 21. 9x is equal to 20 minus 31 means minus 9. See here. 9x plus 30 into y means 1, 21. 9x is equal to 21 minus 30. 9x is equal to minus 9. X is equal to minus 1. Minus లలో రాయొద్దు solution. Then you write the least residue minus 1 mod 30. Mod 30 is common mind. In question we have given mod 30. So answer లో కూడా x value తో పాటు mod 30 ఉండాలి. So positive terms లో రాయాలి. X is equal to minus 1. You write least residue minus 1 mod 30. How can we write? Minus 1. X value is minus 1. Mod 30 means divide with 30. Already I have explained in the last classes. This dividend is minus value. Then quotient must be minus. You let quotient must be minus. Then only you get positive as remainder. Okay, which is less than this divisor. So minus 1 is there. Okay, you let 1 times, minus 1 times 30 into minus 1 minus 30. Then subtract minus 1, minus of minus 30 means plus 30. A minus 1 is bigger value than minus 30. Negatives low, least number, greatest value. I think all of you know it. So minus 1, minus of minus 30 means plus 30, you get 29. This remainder 29 less than, this remainder less than 30. That means r less than b. Division algorithm lo cheppanu first unit. So here that value is 29. You let the first value is 29. The other two values will be, what is the next other two values? Minus 1, x value minus 1 plus 30 by 3. అంటే x naught, this is x naught. x naught మీరు మైనస్ 1గా ఉంచగలిగితే మీ ఇష్టం, కానీ పాజిటివ్స్లోకి మార్చాలి అంటే you let residue 21. Then this is x naught ma. Then the value minus 1 plus 30 by 3 m by d, and minus 1 plus 2 into 30 by 3, that is, what is this value? 10. 10 plus minus 1 is 9, and 20 minus 1 is 19. These are other two solutions. Here we use which method? Linear Diophantine equation. Now see the next problem. This is, so observe ma, here we don't expect x value here. X naught value expect చేయలేదు. Solution ద్వారా మనం find out చేసాం. X is equal to minus 1 అని. If you can expect this value, you can expect the value. If x is equal to minus 1, then what you get? This is minus 9. Bring this side. Minus 21. Minus 30 is divisible by 30. Expect చేయగలిగితే ఇలా రాసేసి నెక్స్ట్ ఇలా రాసేసుకోవచ్చు. సింగిల్ లైన్లో ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేస్తుంది. బట్ వాళ్ళు అడిగితే మాత్రం సాల్వ్ ద గివెన్ కాంగ్రుయెంట్ బై ద మెథడ్ ఆఫ్ డయోఫాంటైన్ ఈక్వేషన్ అంటే కంపల్సరీ డయోఫాంటైన్ ఈక్వేషన్ యూస్ చేయాలి. అదర్వైజ్ జస్ట్ సాల్వ్ అని వదిలేస్తే మీరు ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ చేయగలిగితే యూ కెన్ డూ ఇట్. ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ ద వాల్యూ అండ్ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్, దట్ ఈస్ సబ్స్టిట్యూషన్ మెథడ్ చేసేసేయచ్చు మీరు ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ చేయగలిగితే. అదర్వైజ్ డయాఫాంటైనిక్ ఈక్వేషన్ చేయాలి. ఓకే, నౌ ద నెక్స్ట్ ప్రాబ్లమ్ we are going to solve this problem also by using Diophantine equation. Solve 49x congruence 47 mod 81. Okay, here first you find D. What is D? The GCD of 49 and 81. 49 and 81. Here 49 81 GCD is 1. That means D is equal to 1. So only one solution here, unique solution వస్తుంది. To find this solution, we solve the Diophantine equation. What is the equation form? Ax and 49x minus 81y is equal to 47. 49x minus my ఉండాలి. ఓకే, 49x plus my తీసుకున్నా నో ప్రాబ్లం. 81y is equal to my is equal to 47. Now equation 1 can be written as 49లో పెడదాం, కామన్ తీయగలగాలి. 49x ఫస్ట్ టర్మ్ బేస్ చేసుకోండి అమ్మా. ఇట్ క్యాన్ బి రిటర్న్ యాజ్ 49 ఇంటూ 2. వాట్ ఈస్ 49 ఇంటూ 2? 98. కాబట్టి 98 మైనస్ 17 ఈజ్ 81. ఓకే, అండ్ దిస్ వన్ 49 ఇంటూ 1 49, బట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ 47 కాబట్టి మైనస్ 2 చేద్దాం. నౌ దిస్ కెన్ బి రిటర్న్ యాజ్ 49x ప్లస్ 49 ఇంటూ 2y, దీన్ని సైడ్ తీసుకురండి, మైనస్ 49 ఇంటూ 1, మైనస్ 2 ఇక్కడే ఉంచండి. నెక్స్ట్ ఇట్ కెన్ బి రిటర్న్ యాజ్ 49 ఇంటూ ఎక్స్, 49 బయట తీస్తే 2y, సింబల్ ప్లస్ ఉంది ఇక్కడ, ఎక్స్ట్రా ఇంకేముంది మైనస్ 17y. నెక్స్ట్ ఇది ఈ సైడ్ తీసుకెళ్తే మైనస్ 49 ఇంటూ 1, 49 ఉంది కాబట్టి మైనస్ 1 తీసుకున్నాం. నౌ యూ పుట్ దిస్ ఈజ్ యూ. వాట్ ఈజ్ యూ? Terms in the bracket, x plus 2y minus y, x plus 2y minus 1 is u. Then it becomes 49 into u minus 17y minus 2. Let it equation 2, not this one ma. This is okay, as you wish, equation 2. Then it can be written as 17y undamma ikkada, 17y undi, 17y is there. Okay, you put here this 17y, you can write it as 17 into 3. 49 means 17 into 3 minus 2. 17 3s తీసుకోండి, 51 minus 2 సరిపోయింది. 49u minus 17y minus 2. 17 కామన్ ఉంది దేనికి? 17 into 3u minus 17y. Now 17 into 3u minus y minus 2u is here is equal to minus 2. Now it can be written as 17 in bracket terms, you put v. 17v minus 2u is equal to minus 2, where v is equal to 3u minus y, 3u minus y. Now we have u is in terms of xy, v is in terms of, these are 2 3 equations. Now you put v is equal to 0 and u is equal to 1. Assume these values, very simple values kada. In the problem lo u is equal to 0 తీసుకున్నాం డైరెక్ట్ గా. ఓకే మా. Now it can be written as now let the third equation, you have v is equal to 0 and u is equal to 1. What you get ma? Y is equal to 0 is equal to 3 into 1, 3 into 1. So v is equal to 0, 0 is equal to 3 minus y, y is equal to 3. So put v is equal to 0, u is equal to 1 in equation 2, we get y is equal to 3. Y is equal to 3. Okay, substitute y is equal to 3 in equation 1, you get u is equal to 1 and y is equal to 3 in equation 1, you get this one becomes 49 in equation 1 here. 49u, u means 1, y means 3. Now you get x value is minus 4. You get x value is equal to minus 4. Okay ma, x is minus 4. So unique value, this has only one solution, which means we get only one value for x, but it is in negative terms. Okay, you can write it as mod 81 is there, so you write the least residue of minus 4 for mod 81. 81 mod 81, that means you divide with 81. Here the dividend place minus 4, minus is there, so in quotient place you write minus one time, you get minus 81, which is less than minus 4, which is less than minus 4. Now it can be written as minus 4 plus 81, minus 4 minus of minus 81, you get, this is 77. So the least residue of minus 4 mod 81 is equal to 77. So what is the solution of the given congruence? What is the solution of the given congruence? That is 77. That is 77. Okay, 77 mod 81 and చెప్పాలి. 77 mod 81. Okay ma. Now we see the next problem. The third method చేస్తున్నామమ్మా ఇక్కడ. Fifth problem ఈ different method లో చేస్తున్నాం. First two problems substitution direct గా you assume values x values 3 or 6. 3-4 problems by using Diophantine equation. See the different method here. Solve the linear congruence 12x congruent 44 mod 59. Mod 59. So here the given linear congruence is this. First you observe, first you find D and observe D divides B or not. Here A is equal to 12 and M is equal to 59. Okay, now find D. What is D? Here given linear congruence, compare with the linear congruence. AX congruent B mod M, AM is equal to 1 అయితే, then it can be written as x is equal to, and if AM is 1, then use this method. X is equal to B by A mod M. It can be written as B plus MH by A mod M. Here, what is A? In place of A, we have 12. In place of B, we have 44. And in place of M, we have 59. Okay, ma? Also, you observe, first you find D value. D means AM, GCD of AM. What is GCD of AM? 1259. GCD of 1259 is equal to 1. That is equal to D. So, no doubt it has unique solution. Okay, so it has unique solution. Now you observe, ma, it has unique solution. There is one formula is already I have given above before starting the problem solution. First part of solution I gave a formula. When we use this formula, this is the linear congruence with AM is equal to 1. That means D, GCD of AM is equal to 1. That is D is equal to 1 unnappudu we can write it as this. Now follow this method. Here we have D is equal to 1, so unique solution. Therefore apply this method. Here we have given AX is equal to B mod M. In place of this we have 12x is equal to 44 mod 59. What is the next step? Bring this A this side. Then we get x is equal to 44 by 12 mod 59. Okay ma, you divide 44 with 12. What we get? 12 3s are 36. 8 remainder. Kabatti 3 plus 8 by 12 rastam. 3 plus 8 by 12 means 3 plus 8 by 12 means cancel with the 4. You get 2 by 3. Now here x is equal to 3 plus 2 by 3 mod 59. Now it can be written as 3 integer. Now you see this rational part. 2 by 3 can be written as 2 plus 2 into 59. 2 plus 2 into 59. 2 plus 2 into 59. Now it can be written as okay ma. Now you calculate this part, ma. What is in the bracket? 3 plus 2 plus 2 into 59. 2 plus 2 into 59. 59 means m into h is there. Okay, 2 plus 2 into 59. It can be written as, this is 108 plus 2, can be written as 43. Total you get 40. So 40 plus 3, 43. 43 mod 15. So what is the solution? X is equal to 43 is in congruent solution. But compulsory pakana mod 59 use chesthe anedi pettali. So the solution of this given congruence is x is equal to 43 mod 59. That means x value is 43. Here already we told that d is equal to 1, so it has unique solution. So that unique solution x is equal to 43 mod 59. Okay ma. Here we have finished here 5 problems in this class. But for these 5 problems we have given only one congruence equation. Only one equation. One equation. For one equation we found the solution for these 5 problems. For first 2 problems we use expected value x naught. What is x naught? Maybe 3, maybe 6, that substitution. Next use the equation method. Equation method. Next Diophantine equation method. The last one is quite different. We use this when am is equal to 1. For all these problems we have given one equation. Suppose we have given 3 equations that, and ask the solution of, find the solution of that 3 equations. Like this. Solve the system of equations. Suppose we have given a bunch of equation, that is called system of equations. That is called system of linear congruence. System of linear congruence. To find the solutions of this method, this system, we use the Chinese remainder formula. You remember ma, that in Chinese remainder formula or theorem we have given a bunch of equations. So like this, suppose we have given a system of linear congruence equations, we use the Chinese remainder theorem. Okay. In next class we will see the problems on Chinese remainder theorem. Okay. Once you read that Chinese remainder theorem, we will do the problems. Okay. Okay students.